morning. That's our principal and vice. Very busy also, taking care of our visitors from different states of FSM. So again, shout out and thanks to our Chuuk High School admin with the leadership of Mr. K.S. Sana, with his vice principals Mr. Izuen Lucas and Miss Esther Moriasa. So right now the activity is they're going to Fefen for a trip adventure. Okay, have a good day, Kamarali. Yeah, it's Ralanin. Our location today is, we're now here at Pohnpei Elementary, I think. So, you're welcome. Welcome, 3 states, Pohnpei, Yap, and Kosrae. Here with us today, our friends from 3 states, with the leadership, of course, of our government, governor, already there, lieutenant, and the officials of our government, of course, our public safety, and our isolation media, already here with us. Thank you very much. And thank you also for the warm welcome to our Fefen dancers, Kirisu Chabur. I hope you will enjoy friends from 3 states today. So this is our update today. Again, this is the update of Chuuk High. Thank you very much, Chuuk High Principal Mr. K.S. Sana, Vice Principal Izuen Lucas, Vice Principal Miss Esther Moriasa. So this is the update today here. What's this village?
Huh?
What's this village?
Yeah, this is a
What's the name?
Pore.
Pore. So thank you very much, Fefen friends. So that's the culture to welcome visitors from different states. 3 states, Pohnpei, Kosrae, and Yap. Kamarali, welcome. From there, coming here Our Philippine friends prepared lots of hats right here. So
Thank you very much.
still plenty here. And this side they prepare also
My name
coconut
is
side.
Michael Canas and I'm from Kittit.
Thank you very much.
Fashion medicine, pwede nakapangirik marang may consumptive medicine, nakapangirik pun, isa nakapangirik marawat, may tutupikitan na Amerika. Kaya kan city, pit, kaya apa, tinamay, ito pagkabirukit sa pasapun meninggal pasapun jadi kita marahkan Novo ya tidak terlihat di atas setiap aduh mereka itu street akan mereka pesan mereka mungkin
Thank you very much, Bishop. Let's give him another round of applause, please. So, according to tradition, if I were to open my mouth, you have to pay me for it. Now, if I were to make my body, you still have to pay me for it.
That we put up, it symbolizes our great hospitality to you. Exploring and experiencing our precious past. Culturally, we are united as one people. Politically, we are one as an entity. Religiously, we are blessed by the divine grace of Jesus Christ. We are miles apart, our states in the vision, divided by the ocean. The uniqueness in diversity is a blessing from our Father. So please sit back, walk around, enjoy the sunny, the breeze of southern Norias and Philippines. Lastly, as our forefathers dictates, unity is imminent. Unity is imminent. Again, welcome to Philippines. Sit back and enjoy our island. Thank you very much.
Unity is imminent. Welcome to Britain. You've heard it from the Honorable Mayor. Let's give him another round of applause, please. I believe the reason why we came here is because we want to show you something. And I think it's the right time and the right moment that they're opening the room where we put the breadfruit inside, and then we're going to pound it. And we welcome each and every one of you to walk around. But before you do that, I would like to call upon a brother. Please stand. Let's celebrate, please.
For people which we don't have pot to cook the breadfruit, but that's how we cook the breadfruit. It's very hard thing because we have to prepare for a couple days. It's not only today. Today you just come and see us. We are pounding the breadfruit. But for the last few weeks or days, we prepare everything for that thing over there. Which you can see they are pounding. But mostly they cover up with breadfruit, and the bottom is the rock, on the rock, the banana, on the banana, that's the breadfruit we put there. I know that each one of us, the state, we have different because I see that you guys have dry but us, the Chuukis, we make wet because we put the water inside there. That's how it cooks. And that's how we can bond it. they take the corn, that's the breadfruit it's pounding, they call it corn, and they put inside a sip, a bowl, which they call it sepietchen or namuechu. That's for the chief or the high people that we have to give him the breadfruit, pounding breadfruit. That's also inside there. Within there, we put that corn. We mix with the coconut that we mixed with leaves.
Any question, you can answer it. The guys in the hand and the toe. If you have to ask question, you can give me the answer. Thank you.
So our very own governor and lieutenant right here, supporting our visitors, witnessing how our friends here in Fifin pounding breadfruit. So the 3 states people are here with us today. Yeah, our public safety right here. So right here today, wow, amazing. Again, this is day 5 of this 3rd Micronesia Expo. Again, shout out to our leaders, of course with the leadership of our President Simina, Honorable. And we are here today with our Fifin friends. Amazing. Good job, Fifin friends. You prepared a good demonstration right here. So again, 3 states friends are here with us today. From 3 states, Yap, Kamagar, Koswai, Kulo, and Punpe Kalangan. And shout out also to our iSolution Media. Thank you always. Thank you very much for your support. 100% support to our government and also to this activity. And again, this is Chuuk. This is another learning on how to preserve and of course encouragement to our new generation to really preserve our traditional practices, good culture, especially for this food preservation, and this will really help especially for survival. And shout out also, I don't see Mr. Mars this time. He was very busy this morning assisting people from 3 states boarding, and then I don't see him this time. I don't know. Sir Mars, thank you very much. We witnessed how you assist people today, but I don't see you here. Wow. So enjoy watching, guys. We'll see, and then you can see also later. I will show you. Crowded this time with our friends wants to witness again and see this activity here, pounding breadfruit, what we call again, Ranim Welcome to the island of Fifin. Again, this is Chuuk channel giving you update today. This is day 5 of this 3rd Micronesia Expo. And right now, you can see people from different states witnessing this pounding breadfruit, how they preserve the food, the breadfruit, and